Hi everyone, I'm Mike from Lanner Electronics. Today we'll take you on a tour of Lanner's cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, which feature all-new automatic equipment for increased flexibility, traceability, and efficiency in modern production. Lanner's SMT dip assembly and testing facilities are located here in Taipei, Taiwan, which we can seamlessly deliver dependable products that meet our clients' needs thanks to its control over in-house manufacturing. Here we have arrived at the first station, the Factory Intelligence Board, which gives a quick overview of the factory status such as quality, efficiency, and staff qualification. Introducing the new energy management system, as it uses real-time visual data to monitor equipment and quickly identify energy waste. It also calculates carbon footprint at the product line level, helping simplify global ESG compliance. The production monitoring system leverages the CFX protocol from end-to-end connectivity, enabling real-time visibility into the equipment status, yield, utilization rates, and work order progress. This provides the managers with immediate updates and alerts for faster, more informed decisions. Lanner's Taiwan manufacturing facility has over 4 SMT lines, 2 dip lines, and 4 assembly lines, allowing to produce over 56,000 units per month. The automatic SMT line is used to print all the circuit boards inside Lanner's appliances. Lanner's new key part management system, advanced PCB loader, and solder paste management, SMT mounter, and AOI X-ray inspection are all available at this stage. Meet the upgraded SMT warehousing system powered by the AI-driven X-ray imaging. It automatically identifies and counts components with 99.9% accuracy. The system removes inventory errors, accelerates stock taking, and reduces labor requirements by up to 8 times compared to manual counting. The new AI-powered AOI system improves inspection accuracy in SMT production. Built on the Lanner LC2290, the Edge AI computer, and Chuji's Vision AI software, it quickly detects missing components and tombstone defects in PCBAs. The system delivers over 96% in defect detection while reducing false rejects by up to 80%. The dip station comes right after the SMT line. Lanner uses 2 dip lines equipped with the state-of-the-art dip machinery, real-time ESD control system, visual inspection through ESOP display, and stringing testing to guarantee the integrity of every dip component installation. The S0 test station features an intuitive automatic interface that allows a single operator to manage to test 8 machines simultaneously. Automatic barcode scanning removes the manual entry errors, while real-time digital traceability enables instant access to historical data for faster root cause analysis when. As we can see here, the reduced assembly time for low-volume, high-variety production is one of the main benefits of Lanner's modularized assembly process. The testing environment has been upgraded with dedicated acoustic enclosures and sound level meters. This setup ensures compliance with strict customer noise standards while strengthening overall quality assurance. Lanner ensures product dependability through design verification, inline failure testing, and extended burn procedure, and a thorough examination of quality practices. For test features identification, manual barcode scanning has been replaced with wireless RFID technology. Multiple features can now be read simultaneously, reducing scanning errors and accelerating deployment. The automatic testing system has been upgraded to enable a fully automatic zero-touch workflow by integrating the web platform, work order management, and PXC boot mechanisms. The entire testing process is faster and more streamlined. Lanner can provide a complete turnkey system anywhere in the world, where we can install and test your software on your appliance so you can receive a fully functioning unit with the latest software configuration. From personal bioscreens to full service packaging with latest materials. Our automatic weighting system integrates directly with our MES, providing real-time data visibility and end-to-end audit traceability across the production line. Lanner also offers direct-to-customer drop shipping with a branded package or a white label system. So that wraps up for the tour for the day. As always, customer orientation request has been our #1 concern. Remember, not only Lanner excel in advanced hardware manufacturing and design, but also provide flexible ODM complete solution packages as well. Thank you for watching.